the applause dies down at the end of the show. There's only one place that Ferris likes to go. It's not that far, a chauffeur-driven car. Girls, soft music and a champagne bar. And when the time is right to pounce and cop a £20 note, and she'll be on top. Bump and grind she'll go, gyrating oh so slow. I hope this dance ends before I pop. A titty bar is a place to be. No questions asked of this celebrity. The only place to go when you can't say no, and you're a fat bird magnet like me. Too many times I've been out on the town. Too many drinks have been flowing down. So I'm pissed up and gone, got my beer goggles on. Then I wake up in bed with a terrible head, next to a 19-stone girl whose name is Fred. Flaps on laps is a place to be. No more casual sex for this celebrity. It's the only place to go when you can't say no, when you're a fat bird magnet like me. Excuse me, sir, would you like to dance? Oh, don't mind if I do. 3 hours later, and my cash is all but gone. Excuse me, love, can I just pay a tenner and you keep your G-string on? Can't touch on the hole, which is great for birth control. Only place to go, you know I can't say no, and I'm a fat bird magnet, that's me. Only place to be. Even I'm feeling sexy. Oi, Ferris Ward, any more touching and you're fucking out. Only place to go when you can't say no. I'm a magnet, a fat bird magnet. Hey, fat bird, you're pulled. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. This is going to be my last song of the night.